First question: if a student gives an answer in which there are mistakes of language, grammar, and facts, then that wrong answer, should be written on the blackboard and option A, all the mistakes should be underlined. B, that student should be told to find out mistakes in the answer. C, that student should be told to find out mistakes and rectify them. D, the rectified forms of mistakes should be written by the teacher. Answer: that student should be told to find out mistakes and rectify them. Second question: normally students do not study their subjects in this context. Option A, punishment should be made compulsory for such students. B, the subject matter should be made more interesting and worth learning. C, the teacher should try to learn why they lack interest in studies. D, the teacher should complain to the principal about such students. The teacher should try to learn why they lack interest in studies. Third question: teachers are likely to play an intelligent role in curriculum improvement when they, option A, implement new course of study prepared by well qualified supervisors. B, devise their own curriculum for their class. C, utilize the latest textbooks as the basis for what they teach. D, participate with other staff members in devising the curriculum for the school. Answer: participate with other staff members in devising the curriculum for the school. Number 4. How should the subjects be disturbed in the timetable? A, according to the convenience of the school. B, according to the taste or interest of students. C, according to the level of difficulty of subjects. D, there should be no criterion. Answer: according to the level of difficulty of subjects. Number 5. In comparing lectures and developmental lessons, all of the following are true except that A, there are more activities of the pupil in a development lesson. B, it is more difficult to ascertain pupil learning in a lecture session. C, the lecture method is more conductive and useful for larger classes. D, slow children derive benefit from a lecture than brighter children do. Answer: slow children derive benefit from a lecture than brighter children do. Sixth question: a good teacher should show more interest in option A, tuitions. B, enhancement of the knowledge levels of his students. C, self-study. D, both B and C. Both B and C. Number 7. Textbooks should be replaced with new ones after some years because A, students like new textbooks. B, the teacher gets bored by teaching the same book time and again. C, there is a regular upgradation of knowledge levels. D, the government or publishers draw monetary benefits due to this exercise. Answer: there is regular upgradation of knowledge levels. Next question: if education is made vocation oriented, this will lead to option A, efficient utilization of time and money. B, reduction in unemployment. C, improvements in the economy of the nation. D, increase of interest of students in studies. Answer: increase of interest of students in studies. Ninth question: a good textbook is one which essentially includes, besides other special features, the following. Option A, directions to teachers. B, directions to examiners. C, list of chapters. D, practice exercises for doing a lot of homework. Answer, list of chapters. Last question. In the context of being present in the school on national days like August 15 and January 26, your view is that option A, you are obeying the order. B, these days are occasions for entertainment. C, there is no use of going. D, this helps in strengthening unity and integrity of the country. And so this helps in strengthening unity and integrity of the country. Thank you for watching.